All right, what's up, Browner? Here, I'm move my charging cable. Man, we got something. We need to clean the table off. We need to Zamboni this thing. All right, box of Origins, brother. Good luck. It's the last box of this case, so made it easy picking one. Let's see what was hiding. All right, Khalil Mack, first one up. Mike Glennon. Here's your numbered stuff. To 299, Allen Robinson. Leonard Floyd to 150. And then after this, should be the hits. First hit. Ooh, this could be a nice patch. One color. It's the jersey version. To 99, Chris Godwin, rookie jumbo. Next should be your autograph. Hey, Alvin. Number to 99, Alvin Kamara. Uh-oh, you're going to like this box. That's a nice card in and of itself, but check. Hold on, Cam Newton just do a bomb. Okay. Ooh. Pat Mahomes, rookie patch auto. 3 colors, 5 breaks. Bingo, baby. Last box of the case delivers a Mahomes. Tyler, there you have it, brother.